Good afternoon, everyone. Cyrus here, and this time let's have our second house tour. And it is located in Northtown 1 subdivision. And at my back is a 3-bedroom, 2 toilet and bath house, fully gated and fully developed ang lot area. The lot area, by the way, is 143 square meters. Let's go. So when you enter the house, you'll be surprised to have a fully tiled nga area, no, because usually kasagaran sa mga houses diri ang subdivision kay wala pa na develop ang diri nga area, but this house pati sa gawas na anay mga tiles. So here is our car garage where we can park at least a one carport. Pwede diri a sedan, pwede po diri ang mga SUV if you like. Natay porch, no, para pag sulod nga sa inyong house dili kaayo mo mabasa pagting ulan. Napoy area here where you can also put like coffee area, breakfast area, or tambayanan lang sa imong mga barkada, sa inyong relatives, and whatnot. Here, surprisingly, has an area as well, but I'll let you know that later. So, let's enter the house with a double door. Oh, okay. Double door siya. Not the usual type of your house, guys. And when you enter here, you'll realize nga, this house is renovated, like fairly new pa lang yun, because, tanawa lang, hinlo pa siya kaayo. This is your living area. And yun, passing there, here, padalong sa inyong dining area. Very cozy, very new, very clean house. And if you'll be the one to buy this house as well, if you have plans for Airbnb or transient rental business, which is very new and very common here sa Butuan, dagan naging diri sa Butuan, makita nimo nga this can be rented out right away. Like as soon as you'll buy this tomorrow, pwede mo mag-accept of guests. Here is a very developed kitchen area na ay breakfast countertop, breakfast nook, or whatever you call this. And yun, naka-modular cabinets na siya, guys, na siya ref and whatsoever, na ay mga built-in cabinets and whatnot. And here is your common toilet and bath for your guests. And pag diri tong ganina akong ipakita dapat sa imo ha. Pero naapaday sila'y dirty kitchen. Going here is pwede diri ninyo himuon og kanang pag namoy mga massive gathering, no, pwede diri ang mga dagko kaayo nga mga pagluto. And diri tong access ganina nga akong giingon in the first half of our video. And yun, let's explore this time the bedrooms, which are 3 bedrooms, fully developed siya, guys. First bedroom is here. Yun. It has its own cabinet na siya double deck. Pwede siya for your children, pwede siya for your maids, or as your maid's quarter, or for your helper. Second bedroom is this one. It has also two beds in a double decker. Then I have siya built-in cabinets. Basically, if you'll realize, this house is fairly designed for transient rental business. Kaya dagko or na yung mga rooms nga ang iyahang mga beds are for many people, no? Kanang for example, if imo ni siyang i-parent out, if naanay a double deck to two rooms, naanay 4 packs daan, and for this one na po another 2 packs, so 6 packs all in all. Accordingly, based on my experience as a host, kanang 6 packs, you can rent it out like 2,000 to 2,500 per day. Multiplied by 30 days, that's just around 60,000, 40,000 to 60,000 in gross income. Not bad. So this is basically your master bedroom. It has its own toilet and bath here. And then, nasa yung own built-in cabinets, kanang vanity area, and whatnot. So if you're interested to get this house or to know more the details of this property, just send me a message today and let's schedule your next site tour. Bye!